Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll talk about new custom filter. So this powerful tool is located in the contact section of your web and is very essential for managing your contact base. It allows you to segment your audience based on various criteria, making it easier to target specific groups for campaign or communication. So when you click on this custom filter, you will notice that we have added more filtering options. You can now filter your contact base by date of registration, email address, item quantity, order ID, product quantity, street, and more in the coming days. So, when let's say you want to search some of your client or customer who have registered after a particular date. Let's say a customer who has enrolled after 1st of October. One important thing to note here, when you are selecting the after filter, the date you have selected here is also included. So that was the point which I wanted to talk about. Similarly, we have many other filters here. For example, item quantity, order ID, or let's say street. So let's say if you want to select, we can choose from the second column street is, and we have this value here, Mahatma Gandhi Street. So when you will click this, you will get the result like this, that you have this user Ram who, when registered with web, they have marked their street as Mahatma Gandhi Street. So this is the new filter feature which I wanted to talk about in this video. If you have any questions, please reach out to us via our help center and we would be happy to help you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.